Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we're gonna talk about Provider in Flutter, a super easy way to manage a state in your apps. Instead of passing data around manually, Provider helps you to share and update the state smoothly. It's only rebuild the widget that actually need to change, making your app faster and more efficient. Provider helps keep things organized by separating your UI from your logic, so your code is cleaner, reusable, and easier to manage. I'll show you how to set it up and use it in your Flutter project. Let's jump in. Okay, first I add the provider to the PubSpec YAML, and now we can use it. As you see, we have a simple main.dart, and I just changed the homepage screen to another Flutter file. And the first thing that we need is model. Let's create a package for models and add counter model here. Okay, model is a class, and we have to extend this class to value notifier. So let's extend it. Okay, it's a change notifier, and here we have to pass all we need to change methods and variables. So let's add a variable for count. It's a local variable, and get function to have access to this variable. Okay, now I've added the increment method, and it will change the count number. And after that we have to add another method. This is a notifier listener, and it works like set state somehow. Okay, now we can remove all of these unnecessary variable and methods because we don't need them locally. Okay, we have to wrap the widget that we want to need update by provider, wrap to the consumer widget like that, and pass the type. It should be counter model. Okay, it don't work by child. We have to wrap this one to the builder. Yeah, builder. Okay, and we have three options here: context, value, and widget that will change. Nice. Okay, now we can change the text by value and pass all that we want from counter model. Here we can set value dot count, and for increment method, first we have to create an instance of counter model like that. Context dot read, and pass the type counter model. And now we have access to the c dot increment. Okay, let's run this code. Okay, as you see, we got an error, and this is because our build context doesn't have provider. So going to the main.dart and wrap the run app like that. We need ChangeNotifierProvider here, and for create we have build context, and it should return counter model maybe. Yep. And for child, we can pass the my app. And we are already done. Let's rebuild. Okay, as you see, everything works fine, and the states are updated, and it's a cleaner and faster application. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.